happened?
So a lot of people have been talking about US 30 this week. Apparently, like it shot up like crazy and then shot right back down or something.
Oh, this.
Yeah,
Yeah, this happened because of the news though.
something about Biden. That's what I heard.
Yeah, like
Um,
the taxes and stuff.
you caught that?
Nah, no, I wasn't trading at that time.
Oh man, I got a bunch of questions for you today, man.
Let's get it, man. So,
All right, cool. So one of my first question is, I wrote it down. Matter of fact, it's showing on DJ right now. Let me share my screen.
uh, go ahead.
Okay, boom. So I notice I always have this issue, right?
Mhm.
That's when when a pair is on the uptrend, right, and it's on daily, it's looking like this, like it's making a lower high, and I know like this right here is like that support, and this is like the second support. I'm always kind of like worried, like should I stay on the sell?
Yeah, that's more like a pause for the continuation of the downtrend, right there. Like, or
Okay,
yeah, like that's more continuation for that trend that it's on. That's why I kept going down. You see what I'm saying?
all right, because I'm always like, dang, maybe I should like
Pause,
not stay on the
pause
sell.
right there. Yeah, like it just paused right there. Came up, made that lower high, and then it kept going. It just paused.
Okay, because sometimes I'd be like, man, I don't know if I should just wait or look for a continuation to sell because maybe it could
Yeah,
just spike up since it's at.
yeah, even on the 30 minute, like that's clear downtrend, clear downtrend.
All right.
Yeah, clear downtrend.
Then my second question is,
Damn, dude, you be on a lot of pairs.
I just be looking at different pairs with different scenarios. I don't really be trading. Like I didn't trade GJ, I just trade EJ all week. I just be looking around. So, well, I guess I didn't say.
Yeah, yeah, you,
Hold on,
yeah. You had a point of resistance.
maybe it's on here. Okay, there it goes. All right, so I took a couple trades this week. You
Why
know,
are you taking? Why are you trying to take buys?
I was taking buys because it was at support. It was consolidating so much,
Yeah. Okay. Yeah,
right?
but it's clear. Clear selling pressure. A lot of selling pressure in the market.
I mean, yeah, so I took a sell right here, and I tried to take a buy right here.
Yeah, that's a sketchy buy right there. And just look at that. The moving averages look mad choppy.
Right here.
Yeah, like yeah, it's a real choppy pair, man. Like for real. But I mean, it's clear sales in the it's in the selling bias, but that's a choppy pair to be trading right now.
Mm. I try to catch the buy, man. I got fucked up plenty of times. Like,
I wouldn't even be trying to buy in that type of market. Just making lower highs, like major lower highs. Like I would have tried to catch that sell off the backside of that trend line, if anything.
I got fucked so many times, bro. I, I was on M5 and I thought, you know what I'm saying? Well, I figured, bro, resistance came for a retrace since there was a lot of exhaustions
Yeah,
on that 4 hour around here. Because every time it got around here, it shot up at least, you know?
yeah.
So, yeah, I got fucked.
No, I feel that, man. It happens.
I got fucked.
It happens.
And then this stuff right here, I got fucked too. Hit the back of my trend line, and I got fucked right here. I tried to take this bearish and go from right here. And then my exhaustion was based off that M30. But yeah, I got fucked.
Sell. Yeah, I mean that's straight. That's a good setup. It's doing it again though. It's about to do it again.
Yeah, right here. So yeah, I was thinking like, okay, maybe if it's not dropping right now,
That's what,
'cause I,
that's what I was talking about. I was like, I would have tried to catch it up there at that 61.8. That's perfect. I would try to catch it right off the backside of that trend line.
I mean, it's too late now, ain't it?
Yeah,
Like,
it's late now. It's already in the move.
right. Yeah, so right here, I was thinking about selling right here because it was like, a lot of.
Oh no, no, that's just consolidation.
So when it does that, like you would always wait for at least 38.2.
Yeah, I mean that's the official lower high point. It ain't make no lower high point right there. So you know, what I mean, it can still go back and um, go to your 38.2 through your 88.6 for a lower high point. That's why you
So
got. That's why you just gotta respect the Fibonacci doing. Like if you're gonna get in that 23.6, you gotta understand that's a risky area and it can still retrace against you, which it did right there. But
mhm.
it came to 61.8, perfect. You know, the more disciplined trader would have waited, been patient. You know what I'm saying? Waited till it came up to the back side of the trend line. Boom, seen that exhaustion. Boom, seen that bearish engulfing. Boom, went down to N5. Waited for more exhaustion. Boom, seen that, and then got in and just wrote. You know what I'm saying? Maintained it on the way back down on your M30 or your H1. You know what I mean? Like that's the more disciplined trader. But you know what I mean? Like you gotta understand your Fibonacci and understand how you using your technicals. You know what I mean? If you like that's the more confluence area. That's you got 61.8 lined up with your backside of your trend. You know what I mean?
Right.
You'll be in profit right now. You know what I'm saying? So that's more how you need to think about it. You know what I mean? If you're gonna trade like that.
Yeah, it was real sloppy. I kept getting murdered this week. Getting fucked. And then so when it's sloppy like this, right? What I try to, because I was trying to see where it would break the structure. I know like these candle wouldn't be a break because it's not considered a candle on this on the for the support area. So I went on daily and try to. I was not showing. I went on daily to see like I could find like the medium of the wicks. You know what I'm saying? Was that straight? Is that I can do that? I
Right.
know it finally broke right here, but
Whatever's gonna help you, whatever you feel like is gonna help you analyze this shit to make you some money, bro. I'm not
no.
gonna tell you can't go to the daily time frame, bro. Like you should be using all time frames. It's all one system. So you just need to make understand when you need to take advantage of it when it's all flowing in cohesiveness. You know what I'm saying?
Okay. Yeah. All right. Cool. So it wasn't too crazy what I was doing. But yeah, man. But yeah, you can see that's really what happened for me this week.
You need to be patient and you know use your tools and trust your tools. You know what I'm saying? If you're gonna use Fibonacci, understand what it is and use it the right way. You know what I mean? And take advantage of it. Be patient, like I said, because like that's a good move that you could have caught if you were just a little bit more patient. You know what I'm saying?
Right.
For real.
Well, I'm glad you can see like my problems.
I mean, I'm just being honest with you. You know, what I'm saying? I just want you to get better. Like,
Yeah, I know. That's what I'm saying. I'm glad you can see the problems because like as far as technical side, like I understand it, but when
Yeah,
it comes to being patient and I guess in the moment,
we want things to play out. Yeah, for sure.
hit, you know. And then as far as if I do catch, let's say if I was to go for a
Let me share my
23.6,
screen.
huh?
Let me share my screen. She's doing that. Oh yeah, yeah. We looking good. We looking real good.
Which candle did you take the sell on? That is that candle, right?
Yeah, that my friend is what you call a sexy candle.
You put your stop loss on right above that.
Yep.
Wow. I don't know why I thought you got higher than that. I got that very resistant there.
Nah. Mm-mm. Nope.
So for 23.6, you are if I am going to take a risk of catching 23.6, let's say if it's on M30, I would look at the 4 hour candle to see how that last candle closed.
Yep.
And if it's like, let's say if it was a sell on 23.6, it'd be like it'd have to be like bearish as fuck, right? Like no wick at the end or shit like that.
I mean, I ain't saying it gotta be like no wick. Like it's gonna wick, bro. Like depending on which pair you trade and stuff like that. That's why you just gotta know your pair and know how the candles form on your pair, so you know what you comfortable with and what you not comfortable with when you in and out of trades.
Mm-hmm.
You know what I mean? And know what's enough for you. You know what I mean? Like having discipline, stuff like that.
I feel like the best time to take 33.6s is like let's say let's say on that US 30 right there that was on your screen
Yeah.
at that higher low on daily when it like breaks that support area. It's like the best time to take 23.6s, right? Like what do you think in your opinion?
I mean, I don't really take a lot of 23.6s. Like, I be trying to get the ones that's like 61.8, 78.6. You know, like, those are the ones like I mainly look for. Like, I don't really be, because 23.6 is like, it's going to consolidate. You know what I'm saying? And then it's going to either break out one way or the other. And it's like, at that point, it's like you really chancing. You know what I'm saying? When I could just wait, like I'm telling you, just wait and be patient and for a better retracement, better risk opportunity, risk to reward opportunity, and take advantage of that.
Mm-hmm. Share my screen. I got another question for you on GJ. I was looking at it yesterday, right? On like when you throw your fibs on the monthly, or let's say if you want to know like where's the trend going, right? So when I draw my fib, do I just do it like this, or do I measure this crazy ass whip right here? That's where sometimes I get confused at.
Yeah, I would do it like that.
Okay, so then once that happened, and I get here, that's a 38.2. I know that's another lower high. Do you like skip these little candles that go up, like these like bullish candles right here, and you get to a point where like it goes up for real?
I don't trade GJ, bro.
I'm saying though, as far as your structure, like even if it's another pair, like EU or something.
I don't trade. I trade US 30, bro. Like, but in the same sense, I don't like all I would look at that and just be like, oh, it's just consolidating, it's just pausing right now. The moving average is still bearish as fuck. You're still seeing everything flow in the downtrend structure. Like there's no reason for you to wanna buy or you know what I mean?
Yeah, I'm talking about just far as structure. I'm not talking about like I'm just talking about trend, understanding the trend. So like, okay, this is lower high, and then this is the lower low.
Yeah.
Because sometimes when I see these little ups, I'd be like, should I just measure it? But it's like too tight.
Yeah. So it's like, I mean, you're on a monthly time frame right now.
Yeah.
You know what I mean? So it's
Oh,
like I ain't really doing my fibs on the monthly time frame too much, especially like in those little areas. I'm trying to capture the major swings and see what's the major move gonna be like. You know what I mean? Because everything else is just noise, if that makes sense.
so you look at just the candle volume on the monthly.
Yeah, like I told you before, like that's only like a really quick look for me. Like I'm not doing a whole lot on the monthly time frame.
All right.
That's me though. You know what I'm saying? Like it's different for everybody.
Yeah, I just want to know more of your
You know
perspective.
how you trade and how you see things. Like I'm more interested, so I'm not trying to be on the monthly time frame for too long.
Okay, I just want to know your perspective on it. Because when I do back test and I'm on a monthly time frame, sometimes I try to look at the structure of it, so I know like for the long run, are we in a buy or a sell? You know. But yeah, man, that's mostly it. That's mostly all the questions I really had. What
Cool.
trades I took, most part.
Yeah, man.
Oh, you probably like, man, this nigga just be fucking up.
Nah, I'm not. I'm really just trying to help you get better. Like I'm gonna be transparent with you because I don't want you to be losing money. You know what I'm
Yeah,
saying? So it's best like I tell it to you straight. Like keep it, call a spade a spade. You know what I'm saying?
yeah, definitely.
Yeah, like I don't. My opinion don't matter, bro. Like at the end of the day, it's gonna be about you. You know what I'm saying? It's gonna be about are you making money? Are you fucking with this shit? Are you taking it serious? You know what I'm saying? Like
Yeah.
so
So, I
that's
mean, can I back test with you? Like, you got enough time to back test with you, or
but I mean, what you trying to back test? Right.
I mean, somewhere in the market, anywhere.
I mean, go ahead.
Okay, cool. Let's do these. Okay, so like, yeah, monthly. For me, I look at a trend. You say you look at just the candle volume. It's a quick thing right here. But like, I would think like, okay, we're in a buyer's trend, right?
Okay.
It don't seem too far off. Okay. And then I'm on the weekly. I'm just looking at we're still in that buyer trend right here. So, but like it's like a lot of resistance around this area. You know, like a random line. But it seemed like that weekly candle got a lot of volume. Got a lot of volume on it.
But why aren't you putting that line at the highest area? Like you,
Right here. I thought I would put it.
yeah, like right there, like even down a little bit more. Yeah, like right there or something. Like you got it in the middle of the candles.
Okay. All right. And then right. I know on dailies this is obviously a higher low, so I usually write that down. And I would draw my fibs. 8.2. Another random line right here. My negative 27. So I know. Right here, put it black. That's a 4 hour. At this point, say this is a resistance area, obviously around here, bullish bearish. So I'm
Right.
looking for.
You late already. You already late.
I'm late.
You already late.
Right here.
If you already analyzing right there, you late. You late. You should
I'm
be analyzing to the left. That whole counter trend right there, you should have had a counter trend line going from there to there on that lower high point. You should have seen that break of resistance happen right there, and then you should have had your fibs from that bottom point A to point B, looking for that high low point to take it up to that resistance. If you were looking for the buy,
no, I'm not looking for the buy. I was just saying like it's at a resistance area.
no, not even there. Your higher, you should have bring your trend line down to the next lower high point. I'm saying if you're looking for a setup, that's the setup right there. That's the setup that I see.
Yeah, for the buy, right?
Right.
Yeah, but the market just started right here. I see this buy right here. I could analyze it. So okay, boom. You know what I'm saying? We got to break a counter trend line, break a resistance, go down M30. Okay, we're seeing higher highs and higher lows being formed. Got a little break right here, break is a little support, lower highs being formed. So now I'm gonna wait for a break of resistance. I'd say this right here looks like the higher low right here. I mean the lower high.
Yeah, bro, you had it right the first time.
This one right here.
Yeah.
Okay. So I'm gonna look for a break.
Keep going all the way across, bro. No, not like that. Keep going. Keep going. Right.
Right here.
Other way. Other way. Keep going. Keep going. Keep going. Stop. That's the break. So then you got the retest.
Okay, and that's the break. This would be the lowest of the
Right. So you have an exhaustion zone from down there. Right.
and then I'll go down to M5, right? To try to catch.
I mean, if you want to, yeah.
See.
You wouldn't have been able to really catch that on M5.
Somewhere around M1.
It would have happened too fast.
Okay.
Go to M15. Yeah, like that look a lot better. Like,
So to catch the buy,
yeah.
I don't know how I would have caught this one, honestly. Would have been off of this candle right here.
And
That's too.
that's fine too. That's cool. Or it could have your stop loss could have been just under that exhaustion zone. Like, yeah, could have been fine.
So you putting that stop loss under that exhaustion zone, is that off of just knowing because you backtest so much, or is there
I
like
mean,
some?
yeah, because you got support that held up there already. So and by you knowing that, as much bullish momentum that came in from those lower time frames, seeing it build up into the higher time frames, you would have been okay with that. You've been alright with that. It's still good risk to reward.
Okay, so if I'm looking for another setup, this was the break. That was the lowest point. We got a break resistance right here.
Okay.
Um, I could throw my fibs, measure that pullback, right?
Yep.
So it's at 23.6. You would just be patient, right?
Yep.
Okay. At this point, I'll just pushing up, it's pushing up. Okay, boom, 38.2 right here.
Now, that's more of a pullback right there. So
Right here, right?
yeah.
Um, bearish variation to continue that push.
Yep.
27 right here. I go off the hard time frame.
That's TP. That's perfect.
You wouldn't go down to M5 to try to get in before that.
No, what? Them 30 showing you what you need to see.
Okay. Okay. So boom and shot. So when you maintain the trade, you throw your fibs too.
What?
When you maintain the trade,
What about it?
you throw your fibs out as well. See where that pullback.
Yep.
What's your rule of getting out?
I mean, it just depends, bro. It depends on what type of mindset I'm in. It depends on what type of account I'm trading. Like sometimes it's my 38.2 off the same time frame I got in on. Sometimes I go down and get out a little earlier just if I feel uncomfortable. It just depends.
Yeah. All right. So yeah, hit TP. Both trades hit TP.
Yeah.
Now,
But that comes to the rules that I told you that you need to have. Like you need to have certain rules that help you with shit like that. Like, you know,
yeah. Since I'm building an account, I guess I would
if you're building an account, bro, you need to be taking profit.
in and out.
I ain't saying you gotta be in and out. I'm just saying you need to be taking profit. That's all I'm saying. You need to be
Okay.
taking profit. You don't need to be seeing too much drawdown if you maximizing your risk to reward.
All right. Oh, shit. All right. So we at the weekly resistance now. Exhaustion already. So most likely see a pullback, right? Okay. So if I seen this right here, I would honestly try to throw my fibs and it's probably be at 23.6. And I would try to catch that honestly. Or see if it would go up or go down.
I mean, if anything, you'd be trying to catch it to go down and it's making lower highs.
Yeah, so I would draw a trend line to count it. Well, if I can draw a trend line. All right, and then our resistance line right here at M5.
Yo, move your line higher, bro. Your resistance line. Your resistance line.
Oh, so I'm joking. Sexy candle, right? Take it.
Is that closed?
Yeah, it's closed. I think it look good. Without a long time frame.
Nah, I ain't taking that. Not with all that exhaustion. I ain't even gonna lie.
So this candle closed at 18.15. So this candle was before this one right here. You have took it?
No, bro.
Nah.
I wouldn't have been comfortable with that.
What about the retest?
Yeah, I've been trying to get in probably on the retest.
You consider this a 38.2? A 38.2 touch, or you want
23.6.
23.6?
Yeah. That shit OD, bro. I don't know how you trade that shit. Fuck no.
You don't think this is smooth?
I mean, if you think that's smooth, bro, that's on you. I don't think that's smooth at all. But I gotta get ready. I gotta get ready. Get off, man.
All right, man.
All right.
Appreciate it.
Ain't no thing.